Diwali, the festival of lights, the victory of light over darkness. Diyas are the heart of this celebration, but how are these beautiful creations made? Ever wondered about the hands and stories behind the beautiful Diwali diyas and clay crafts we cherish during festivals? This video takes you behind the scenes to explore the journey of these incredible creations. From simple clay to vibrant works of art, these painted diyas showcase the creativity and dedication of artisans who keep our traditions alive. The story begins with nature. Artisans transform the raw soil into soft, pliable dough, the foundation of every diya, matka, and statue. Pottery is an art that has been passed down for generations. With skillful hands, artisans shape each piece, turning a clay into culture and tradition. Clay is transformed into divine forms like Ganesha and Lakshmi idols. These statues are not just decorative but hold deep spiritual significance during festivals. The artisan's creativity goes beyond diyas, extending to unique creations like elephant-shaped diyas, colorful piggy banks, and even turtle designs. These crafts are perfect example of tradition meeting imagination. Painting clay pots or matkas is a meticulous process that brings out their vibrant beauty. Each brushstrokes add a touch of life and color to these traditional creations. As festival approaches, workshops are filled with thousands of diyas and pots. Shoppers carefully select these handcrafted pieces to bring light and joy into their homes. These crafts remind us of the rich traditions and skilled artisans who work tirelessly to keep our culture alive. Let's support their artistry not just during festivals but throughout the year. Let's celebrate the artistry behind these creations and ensure these traditions thrive for generations to come. Crackers are really harmful. Let's celebrate Diwali traditionally by lighting up diyas and saying no to crackers to save our environment.